Good day, sir. My name is Kurt Adrian Torban. This is my assessment 1, A2. How can you define a simple root in Laravel and what would be in real life example? In Laravel, roots are defined in a root web.php file. A simple root map a URL to a specific closure or control method. This is the example code, sir. In real life example, if you're building an online bookstore, you might define this. So when a user visits your apps.com/book, they see a list of books. Number two, how do you name roots works in Laravel and how might you see how might you use them in real life application? A name roots gives a root a unique name so you can reference it easily without hard coding the URL. This is the example code, sir. You can now generate a URL to this root in real life use. In a commerce site, you might have a checkout route. Instead of typing checkout everywhere, you just route checkout that store. This makes code cleaner and easier to maintain. Number three, what is the purpose of root groups in Laravel and how might they be used? Root groups allow you to apply common settings like mi- middleware, prefix, or namespace to, to multiple roots at once. This is the example code, sir. Admin dash admin/dashboard admin/users. In real life, in a school management system, you might group roots for teachers under /teachers and roots for students under /students. This keeps apps organized. Number four, how does middleware works in Laravel and can you provide a practical example? Middleware filters HTTP requests before they reach your routes or controllers is often used for authentication, logging, security, etc. This is the example code, sir. Here, the ANT middleware ensures only logged-in users can access dashboard. In an online banking app, middleware can check if the user is logged in and it and has the right permission before letting them view their account balance. Number 5. How does you can handle form submission and CSRF protection in Laravel? Laravel automatically protects form CSRF attacks. This is the example code, sir. Root plus controller. The CSRF direct generates a hidden CRF token input. When the form is submitted, Laravel checks this token to ensure the request is valid. Real-life use in a job application website, when applicants submit their resume, CRF protection ensures that the submission is legitimate and not forged by molecular sites. Yun lang po sir. Thank you.